Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Kanza. Today I'm excited to share a fantastic recipe that will elevate your snack game, homemade sandwich bread, perfect for sandwiches, toast or simply enjoying on its own. This bread is sure to impress. Let's get started. Making the dough. To begin, let's make our bread dough. Grab a large mixing bowl and add half cup of warm milk. This will help activate our yeast. Next, sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of yeast. Give it a good whisk to combine. Now we will add 3 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Use a spatula to mix everything together until it is formed a rough dough. Then drizzle in 4 teaspoons of oil. It's time to get our hands in there. Knead the dough for about 4 to 5 minutes until it's soft and pliable. Remember, the dough should be neither dry or nor hard. Once your dough is ready, cover it with a cloth and let it rest in a warm place for at least 1.5 hours or until it doubles in size. This is crucial for a light and fluffy bread. Shaping the dough. After resting, it's time to shape the dough. You can cut in any shape you want, whether it's roll, loaf or even buns. After shaping, let the dough rest again for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will make it easier to handle later. Cooking the chicken. While the dough is resting, let's move on to our delicious chicken filling. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and saute for a minute until fragrant. Next, add 500 grams of boneless chicken cook until the chicken turns white. Then sprinkle in 3 tablespoons of tandoori masala and reduce the heat to low. Allow the chicken to cook thoroughly about 10 minutes. To finish it off, stir in 2 tablespoons of cream and 3 tablespoons of cheese. Mix well and then turn off the heat. Making this sauce. Now let's whip up a creamy sauce to complement our sandwich. In a small bowl, combine 5 tablespoons of cream, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons hot sauce and 2 tablespoons of oregano. Whisk everything together until smooth. This sauce adds a delightful tang and creaminess to our sandwich. Cooking the bread. Let's check on our dough. It's time to cook it. Heat a pan on medium flame without any oil or butter. Place your shaped dough in a pan and cover it. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the bread is golden and cook through. The aroma will fill your kitchen. It's going to be amazing. Assembling the sauce. Now comes the fun part, assembling our sandwich. Take your freshly cooked bread, spread a generous amount of the creamy sauce and then add your flavorful chicken filling. Top it off with some crisp iceberg lettuce for that perfect crunch. And there you have it. Your delicious homemade sandwich is ready to serve. This recipe is perfect for sharing with friends and family. I hope you give it a try at home because homemade is best. I would love to hear your thoughts, so drop your reviews in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe to Cooking with Kanza for more delicious recipes. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.